welcome back to my channel. Hopefully all of you are doing fine. Today I'm going to be doing this smoky look right here, and if you want to know how I created this look, then keep on watching. But if you're new to my channel, hello, my name is Jennifer Reyes. Welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to follow me on social media. It will be down in the description box, and also turn on your bell button so that you could get notified every time I upload. It'll mean so much to me. So today I'm going to do something fast because I am running out of time like always, and I'm going to be doing a look. I really like how my skin looks today. What's going on? But I'm not sure what makeup look to do. I already did my eyebrows like always. Should I do something black? Because, you know, I've never done something black. I'm gonna just use the Vulgar, and it's this shade right here. And I'm gonna just put that on the eye. Like that. So I'm going to be using the black shade right here, the Noir. I don't know how it's pronounced, but yeah. And just really work on that part. I use a smaller brush just to really get in there. Just like a V type. Yeah, I just gotta keep them blending. So I'm gonna put Pearl. Is that shade right there, and I'm gonna put that in a corner. But I'm gonna go back in with that black again. So that is it for the eyes. So I'm going to be doing my eyeliner off camera just to save some time, and then I'll get back with y'all. So I'm gonna just put some primer on my face. Beige Dessert. Some setting powder. The bronzer. I'm gonna do a soft pink. Now that's that. Now I'm gonna just add some highlighter. Now I'm to just put a lipstick, which I don't know which lipstick to put, so I'll get back with y'all. I'm gonna just go with a nude because that is my way to go. So I'm gonna go in with Matte Naked, and I'm gonna just put setting spray, and I'm gonna use the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'll be back when I have my hair done. And yeah. Alright guys, so this is the end of my video. Hopefully you enjoyed as I did. And if you really like this look, we'll give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and follow me on social media. And don't forget to turn on that bell button so that you could get notified every time I upload. And until the next time, bye guys.